Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely. So let's get started. If you are trying to install the Epic Games, but its launcher setup wizard is ending prematurely, so what you can do is go to your PC and over here you'll be able to see all of your directories. So you gotta select the local disk, that is C, because it contains all of the program files. So just click on your local disk C and here you gotta select the program files folder. And within this folder you gotta search for the Epic Games folder, and once you find that folder, what you gotta do is just right click on that and click on delete. So just do that for all of the Epic Games folders over here, and once done, go back and click on program files x86 and search for Epic Games folder over here as well, and then delete those folders as well. So make sure all of the Epic Games folders have been deleted. Once done, right click on the start and click on Task Manager, or you can either go to the search bar and search for Task Manager over here. And this is basically a system application. So over here among the options at the top, you gotta select the startup option, and then at the top left you'll be able to see this file option. So you need to create a new task, so just click on this and over here you gotta type down msyexec.exe, and after that you have to click on this checkbox that is create this task with administrative privileges, and after that click on browse and go to the directory where your Epic Games launcher setup has been made, and just find that folder and make sure that you have selected all folders over here and not just program ones. So just select all folders and search for the Epic Games launcher setup folder and just click on open. After that, just click on OK over here and your setup wizard would be relaunched again. So this time just follow the prompts and your setup will run smoothly and Epic Games will be installed on your computer without being ended prematurely. So that was how you can fix Epic Games launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.